Hello there! Today I'm going to share with you the new products from SHIELDme. If you watch the video until the end, you might be the lucky winner of today's giveaway. First off, I want to show you our new variants of products, which is the antibacterial hand soap. This antibacterial hand soap is infused with vitamin E and vitamin B5 that leaves your skin smooth and moisturized. It kills 99.99% of germs and viruses and gives maximum protection for your loved ones. These are the 4 available fragrances that we have. We have Sapphire, Berry Berry, Aurora, and Ruby Blossom. It is available in liquid and bar soap. If you want to win all these products, including our SHIELDme disinfectant and sanitizing kit, you just have to subscribe to this channel, like and share this video, comment down below which of these fragrances you think you will like the most. For more details, visit our website, shieldmeglobal.com. Bye for now!